Ensuring the perfect blend requires precision, a tradition upheld by our tasters since 1977.
If you click here, it updates the entire spreadsheet automatically.
Got it. That saves a lot of time.
The blockage seems to be occurring right above the third platform. Sourcing from over 100,000 farmers across Brazil.
From the hands that carefully pick the cherries, to the expansive fields of Brazil and Vietnam.
The journey from a nascent green berry to the vibrant red cherry takes several months, a process carefully monitored by the farmers.
The automated harvester uses high-speed vibrating rods to efficiently strip the ripe red cherries from the
Here we see the mechanical sorting process, separating the beans from the skins. The cherries are then depulped before undergoing wet sorting in these channels.
The washing process begins with a careful hand scrub under clear running water, ensuring every bean is clean before
Ensuring the coffee dries evenly is crucial. We constantly check the moisture levels, targeting 11% before moving to the sorting tables.
We assess up to 100 cups a day to ensure consistency in the profile.
This batch is showing excellent balance.
These greens are perfect for the medium roast.
Agreed. The moisture content seems ideal.
Best part of the day, right?
Absolutely. Cheers, Kevin.
After roasting, the beans cascade into the cooling tray for immediate chilling by the powerful airflow. From the roasting drums, the beans are air conveyed through a network of pipes to the cooling stage, ensuring perfect consistency.
The process begins with spray drying for Nescafé Classic. But for Nescafé Gold, we use a freeze drying technique to lock in the flavor.
It starts with a simple scoop, but the process behind instant coffee is complex. From the jar to the cup,
The liquid coffee concentrate is sprayed into a fine mist, which then dries into the granules you know and love.
The temperature held steady at 140.
Good. Let's log the humidity levels now.
From our efficient packaging line straight to distribution, so you can enjoy the perfect cup, sourced directly from the finest farms.